Hello loves, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, hi and welcome. Today we are diving into one of my favorite makeup of the season, Fall Glam. In this video, I am showing you how to create a brown sultry makeup look. Think warm tones, smoky lids, and that perfect soft glam finish we all love. This look is perfect for cozy nights out, fall events, and that moody autumn energy. Grab your brushes, light a candle, and let's get into this fall makeup. For every makeup look, it is essential to have hydrated skin. Skin that is glowing, skin that looks like it is healthy and radiant, glowing from inside out. This is very important for every makeup look. After hydrating the skin, I normally use my L'Oreal Glow Enhancer, and this is perfect to add that extra glow to the skin. So as I have mentioned before in a previous video, I do not believe in priming all over the skin, only priming in the areas that it is necessary. This Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation is pure elegance in a bottle. What I do love about this foundation is that it gives that lit from within glow. It blurs imperfections. It delivers that barely there makeup look. And when you want that soft glam finish, this foundation looks absolutely stunning on every skin. I am using the shade number 14. Now I always add a little at a time and then I spread it all over the skin. So this way I have enough coverage, but still the skin looks like skin. So the next concealer that I am thinking about purchasing is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. But while I do enjoy purchasing new makeup, I also love to stick to the makeup that I know that is going to deliver its best. The products that you know will never fail you, and the products that makes your skin just look flawless. And for me personally, the concealer is the Dior Forever Flawless Concealer. Because of the hydrating ingredients, it not only delivers hydration that lasts for hours, this concealer gives a perfect and even blend. I am just absolutely in love with the maximum hydration that it delivers underneath the eyes. Now, just in case I forgot to mention, the shade that I normally wear in my Dior Forever Flawless Concealer is 4.5N. Even though makeup is just a simple form of expression, it is important to think about how you want to express yourself. What is going to make you happy, and what do you want to put out in this world? And for me, I want to put out a lot of glow. So I want to put out a lot of glow, elegance, radiance, and skin that just looks absolutely gorgeous. So today I will be using my Studio Fix Conceal and Correct palette from MAC Cosmetics, and this is the shade that I will be using right here. Now I do want a deeper contour. Now I'm not sure if you can see, but it is a little bit deeper than the tone that I normally use, because today I want to add a little bit more structure to the face. I always use my foundation brush to go back in blending. This way the contour does not come off looking too strong, because I still have a little bit of product left on the foundation brush. I love how the skin is looking right now. Let me come a little bit closer. So I'm using my favorite brow mascara from Manhattan Cosmetics. This is in the shade Deep Brown. And as usual, I am only adding just enough to have the brows looking sculpted, but still looking natural. So as you can see, the brows are done. I normally use my Laura Mercier translucent powder in honey, and I just use a small amount to set the eyes. Now that I'm done setting the eyes, I will be using this palette. This is one of my favorites. However, I will be using a cream contour to start off in the crease. So we'll be taking this down on the lower part of the lid and then creating a V shape, and then lightly, as I lift my lid, then lightly go into the crease. And then blend outwards. So this is the part that I find very exciting, because now I will be adding deeper and deeper tones. So I will be using a matte black eyeshadow to go in on the eyelids and in the waterline. And this look is slowly coming together beautifully. And of course, we are going to go in on the waterline. So now it's time to blend so that we can have the eyes looking sultry and sexy. And still sticking to that V shape on the outer corner that I already added right here. I think I will be adding a wing liner and then smoking it all the way out. Nothing too dramatic. Just something to shape the eyes just a little bit further. I'm using my favorite lip liner, MAC Cosmetics Chestnut. So while I was doing the eyes, a thought came to mind. I am going to give a strong contoured lip, just a little bit of lip gloss in the center of the lips. And the second look will be a full, bold, chocolate brown lipstick. I think this will be very exciting. Now on the eyes, today I will be using the Ardell lashes in the number 424 to add a little bit of volume and to have a wispy effect on the end of the lashes. So this is what the lashes look like. Just look at that. Ooh, this is so pretty. And I will be using my Duo Lash Glue. I will be using the Fenty Beauty lip gloss in the Fenty Glow Heat. Yes, Fenty Glow Heat. It is a perfect tone to combine with the brown lip liner. And this smells so good. It's so yummy. Now I remember why I purchased this. That looks so good. Now at first I did say I will not be using any gold on this makeup look today, but just looking at it and how beautiful it looks, I think just a little bit of gold, just a little touch of gold will just bring this look to perfection. Max Factor blush in Stunning Sienna is perfect for this makeup look. I believe that when I'm doing a sultry makeup look, especially when I'm using brown tones, I like to complement it with a peach tone blush. I always tend to focus more of my blush on this side of the face, on the outer corner of the face, and never on the apples of the cheeks. I never ever do that. I don't think you should do that either. So of course, this little trick that I always do to lift the eyes is to use a little bit of concealer right at the outer corner of the eyes. And then I will blend upwards, shaping the form of the eyes and just bringing a lifted look to the face. And always combine the concealer with your blush. and then give everything a smooth and proper blend. And this technique also brings back the shape to the eyeshadow. If you take a look at the corner here, you will see that the eyeshadow has a beautiful angle going all the way up. Now I almost forgot to set the under eyes, and as usual, I am using the Laura Mercier translucent powder in Honey. So while I am doing this makeup look, there is a particular song that keeps swirling around in my head, and it goes like, I like chocolate girls, all shades, different flavors. Yeah. This is so gorgeous. Ooh. Did somebody say chocolate? Did somebody say Godiva? Ooh. This is so good. This is it. Okay guys, so there you have it. This is the first look with contoured lips, light lip gloss in the center, and the sultry eyes. This looks gorgeous. Finished with the first look, I think it is time to go in with full brown lips. I will be using a beautiful chocolate brown lipstick. The lipstick that I will be using is the Milani lipstick in shade Sensual. So before I start using the lipstick, I will go back in lining the lips to make sure that my lips are properly contoured. Then I will add a little bit of my highlighter underneath the eyebrows. Add a touch of gold on the center of the lids. Nothing too crazy. So we have finally come to the end of creating this beautiful brown sultry makeup look. The skin, ooh, the skin looks so radiant. It is luminous and it is just glowing, giving all the beautiful moody fall vibes. And I am so happy if you stay to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope that you do like this video. Leave a comment and please do subscribe. Take care guys. Bye bye.